The SunFounder Pironman 5 Mini PC case represents a significant upgrade path for Raspberry Pi 5 users seeking to transform their single-board computer into a fully-fledged mini workstation. After extensive testing and assembly, several key aspects stand out about this aluminum-clad enclosure system. Assembly proves surprisingly manageable, despite initial apprehensions about the multi-component design. The included step-by-step guide, supplemented by online video tutorials, provides clear directions for mounting the Raspberry Pi 5 motherboard, installing NVMe storage, and configuring the cooling apparatus. While the process requires patience due to numerous tiny screws and connectors, the inclusion of spare fasteners in every component package demonstrates thoughtful engineering. A magnetic screwdriver significantly eases assembly compared to the included non-magnetic tool. The final assembled unit measures 6.1 x 5.3 x 3.7 inches, presenting a sleek desktop footprint that belies its substantial thermal management capabilities. Central to the Pironman 5's appeal is its expandable NVMe M, 2 slots supporting drives from 2230 to 2280 form factors. During testing with a recommended 1TB SSD, the case maintained consistent drive temperatures below 50 degrees Celsius under sustained read-write operations, aided by the dual RGB fans and tower cooler assembly. The integrated Hilo 8L AI accelerator compatibility introduces machine learning capabilities, though this feature requires additional software configuration beyond basic setup. Thermal performance generally impresses, with CPU temperatures remaining 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, lower than stock Raspberry Pi 5 cooling solutions during identical workloads. The active cooling system maintains audible noise levels below 35 dB in standard operation, though users should note the fan's default always-on operation requires manual adjustment via software controls. A standout feature is the 0.96-inch OLED display, which provides real-time monitoring of critical system parameters. After installing the Pironman 5 service on Raspberry Pi OS, the screen reliably displays IP addresses, storage utilization percentages, and temperature readouts without requiring complex configuration. Connectivity options exceed expectations with dual standard HDMI ports, easily accessible SD card slot, and external GPIO extender. During stress testing, the aluminum chassis effectively dissipated heat from both the Raspberry Pi 5 and NVMe drive, though the lack of front ventilation ports raises questions about long-term dust accumulation in the fan filters. RGB lighting effects add visual flair without appearing garish, with customizable patterns accessible through included software utilities. The safe shutdown functionality and physical power switch provide welcome reliability improvements over bareboard configurations. While build quality generally impresses with precise machining, some plastic components like the USB HDMI header proved fragile during assembly. SunFounder's customer support responsiveness deserves particular praise, with email queries about initial power button issues resolved within 24 hours through detailed troubleshooting guides and visual aids. The included lithium metal battery maintains RTC functionality, though its necessity depends on specific use cases. For users contemplating NAS builds or media center applications, the Pironman 5 delivers exceptional value despite its premium pricing relative to basic cases. The combination of expandable storage, robust cooling, and diagnostic features creates a compelling package, though those seeking absolute silence may prefer passive cooling solutions. Final assessment confirms this as a top-tier enclosure for Raspberry Pi 5 enthusiasts prioritizing performance and expandability over minimalist design.